We'll explain about other styles of inoculation work, but since we are not actually doing it, please ask for references. In case of Thimble Spawn, basically after making holes on log with a 12.7mm drill, take it one by one from the Thimble Spawn sheet and insert it directly into the hole. It also has a styrofoam caps on each, so it's easy to get started, good for beginners. There's also no cap Thimble Spawn for Beeswax. In most cases, the inoculation work with Beeswax applicator uses Sawdust spawn, inoculates with a tool, and then apply the melted wax. Some people get the no-cap Thimble Spawn mentioned earlier and seal it with the wax. For Dowel Spawn, either make a hole with an 8mm drill bit or make a hole with a hammer to make a punch. Insert it by hand and then hit it with a hammer. No plugs or wax are needed. There are various methods like I explained, so it is recommended that you do it according to the pattern at first, and then change it to your original style later. I fail inoculation sometimes. In such a case, remove the styrofoam plug with a pointed end and push the spawn with a round end and cover it with a plug again. This kind of fix work will be much smoother.